The family behind Hatfield Rally House turned a lifelong love of tennis into a home for the community and partnered with Legacy to build it. The result is a field house large enough for tennis, pickleball, and everything in between. No interior columns, no interrupted sightlines. Just open, usable space from wall to wall. Legacy's buildings provide an insulated, airtight envelope that keeps temperatures consistent and energy costs down, no matter the season outside. This building is engineered for New England weather. High wind loads, snow loads, and seismic conditions were all part of the design from day one. A rigid steel frame gives the structure long-term strength, built to support a second story along with the lighting and HVAC systems that keep courts play-ready. One team handled design, manufacturing, and installation, so the project moved faster with fewer handoffs. Now, a family-owned business has a facility built to bring people together for years to come. Whatever you're building next, Legacy can help you build it right. Built smarter, built different, built to last. Start your project with Legacy today.